you know this is my favorite brand, right? And if you didn't know, congrats, now you know. So Majorette is my favorite brand for diecast cars. They make one of the amazing licensed models. All right, and today anyhow we won't be needing a knife because it says open here, and let's open it up. So today we have the Volkswagen vans. So these are licensed vehicles, opening parts, metal body and suspension. Okay, I hope they have rubber tires as well. So this comes with these are the packs, okay, that are there. I have taken this one. I didn't want this one, and I'm still looking for this one. Maybe I will get it or not. Let's see, because this has the Golf GT Mark 1. Yeah, Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. Yeah. So let's open this up and let's get right into it. If you want to see the back of the box. So, and also Majorette gives you such a great unboxing experience. I've never had such cool unboxing experience with any other brand as such till now. The other brands being Hotwheels, just Hotwheels, yeah. Oh, we also get stickers. Oh, you can add any number of stickers on these. Okay, so these are the cars. Let's take them out. So zoom in a bit. Okay, whole mat has been, these didn't fall off. I don't know why. I'll try to take these out as well. Okay, you know what, we'll start with this one. So this is the Volkswagen T1 van. Okay, this is the official licensed product. You can see here, this has suspension wheels. This comes in this beautiful olive green or dark green color with the adventure livery on it. Drive your adventure. The compass here, the seagulls, I hope they are seagulls, right? So looking pretty cool, pretty vintage car, vintage van. So front we have this headlamps. Okay, nice headlamps. We have the huge VW logo here. We have the wiper details on the windscreen. We have the same livery on the other side. We have a opening door sort of stuff. Okay, this is the opening part here. You can see, so the glasses are tinted with a golden hour light, golden, what do you say, that when the sunsets happen, that's a golden hour, right? That color is the, the tint on these glass. We also have a kayaking boat, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a kayak, right? You can take this off and you can add any of these accessories as well. Let's take a look at this one. I really think it is a kayaking. Yeah, it is a kayak. Let's put it back there. Okay, let's do a quick roll test. Okay, rolls very freely and smoothly. Next up we have this one. This is the Volkswagen T3 van. Okay, this is also a licensed product, and this is the moving part here, and this comes with a cool sliding door. This has the same adventure begins livery, not the same, the different adventure begins livery. It has the mountains on it and some eagle here, and the other side we have the same livery. Inside, if I can show you the interiors, it's nice interiors. And you also have this one to attach a camper if you have a camper of Majorette or anything. Front details are pretty cool. we have the headlamps, we have the VW logo, we have that grille, wiper details. This is not removable, this is attached to this one. All right, yeah, this has suspension as well. Let's roll it. Okay, so that was that. Coming to the decision that I made, like why I bought these, because I love these vans, Volkswagen vans. We have seen them for a very long time and they are there as an aesthetic now, but they also served a very great purpose. And if you have seen that new movie Venom: The Last Dance, even in that VW van has been featured, if I'm not wrong. Okay, watch that movie, it's a great movie. And yes, you have to watch the Venom 1 and 2 as well. So these are pretty cool castings. This is slightly heavier than this one, or maybe almost the same, just a tad bit different. And also I forgot to mention that this has rear view mirrors here and this one doesn't. Pretty cool and amazing looking castings here. Just a second, if I can take this off, let me see. So yeah, I've taken these off. I think this is the camping what do you call, gear that we have here. Let's tuck this one on that. I think it's supposed to be the other way, right? Let's do that as well. Yeah, it fits well, it looks nice, but the kayak is much better, right? We'll also add, it's very tedious job to take this off. Okay, this is the tire. This is the spare tire here, and yeah, it's ready to go. So they all look pretty cool, pretty amazing, and I got it for MRP at the local store, thanks to Mr. Santa Claus for helping me out with these, and they look pretty amazing. If you want to get these, you can find it in Hamleys most probably, or your local stores that sells toys. You have to look for them, frankly speaking. And when I got this, even he was like, see, this is the only pack we have right here, not much options, so I had to go for this one. And as soon as I realized that I want the golf one, that was taken by someone else. So if you are watching that video who took the golf kit, okay, I'm happy for you as well, but would you like to send it over for a review? Let me know, okay? And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Stay amazed, stay curious. I'm always curious and amazed by things that are going around in the world. So yeah, this was it, the special Majorette delivery. Okay, for more such raw experience, please do subscribe. And this was the another video where I didn't use the knife because it is such a cool thing that I won't have to use a knife when you have such great unboxing experience. I will pack these things because I don't have a place to display them. I have to keep it inside. Okay. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting, have a happy life. Bye bye.